Paying using the Revolut Virtual Card is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Help Revolut site where you can find out how to use a virtual card. Once you get into its site, you will know how to use a virtual card. So, when you create a virtual card, it is ready to be used. You do not need to activate it. To view its details such as card number, CVV, expiry date, you need to find out your card in the Cards section by tapping the card icon in the top right and select. Then, search for Payment Method in the search bar and tap on What's Revolut Pay Payment Method. So, Revolut Pay is a payment method available to customers for online purchases. It offers an easy checkout experience with no input of card or bank details required for Revolut account holders, and the option for non-Revolut customers to save their details after their first purchase. Then, you can follow the described process from here.